Okay, it's time to start. And it's going to be a very, very interesting evening, ladies and gentlemen, because BTC just pumping, and it's pumping very hard. I think that's what I need. We are pumping. Say hi if you're just tuning in, because the chart's looking fine. Fine. It's looking really good. Let me share the stream, and if you can share it as well, it would really help out. Zoo is pumping as well. 3 point. Ooh, look at those juicy orders. Let me share the live stream with as many people as I can. If you can do that and help me out as well, please do. It's gonna be an eventful night. Eventful evening for everyone that's been holding for a while. Live streaming at the moment. Tune in, share to your friends, relatives. Everyone must know. So yeah, let's talk about the pump that we are getting. This is a massive resistance area. If you have been with us for a while with the Dr. Niki channel, hey, hello Nikto, how's it going? Hey Rahul, thank you for the 2 new likes. Let's go. Let me get some water. Kind of hot here. Actually, who needs water when you can have Coca-Cola? And these guys definitely need Coca-Cola. This Bitcoin price definitely needs Coca-Cola, because we are gonna pump hard from what I can see. Can we break 42? It looks like we can, because this seems like a short squeeze. Hey Harry, hey 11 birds, I'm there always forever. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I know you always are. Look at this, and I promised I only have a little bit of time to stream tonight, because we'll be going out, but I just want to start the stream and talk with you guys, because I don't want to miss a stream. Diet Coke only. Yeah, but it has aspartame or something, which gives you cancer. You gotta stop working out. I gained a lot of weight during the corona, the pandemic. This is insane. This is insane. I think we can definitely break 42, but we have the momentum for it. But let's see. Give me 1 second to make my drink. Explain hard squeeze, please. Okay, it's a short squeeze. Short squeeze is basically when people are doing a short position. Let's say that you are here in the chart, right? Let's say that you are here, right? And you see some selling pressure. MACD gets weaker, you see some selling volume, and you do a short position. Basically, you're betting that the market will go down, right? You place something like this, and normally what you would do is you would have your stop loss just above the green line, somewhere around here. So if it pumps here, you don't have another $2,000. And you would target something like this. If you do it. By the way, can you hear me? I think there's an issue with the internet. Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, I think it's all good. Let me know in the chat. And you would target something like this. But when the price pumps, this is a short squeeze. And you can know that by the volume. Like all these volume are market orders being filled from stop losses. But the issue is now a lot of people start longing, right, crypto with maybe a stop loss here. So we can just go down by $1,000 and drop for 2,000 more. Hey, Ruben Mulatto. Committee has a small request. They would love to see a video from your end on Royal BNB. Join Telegram. Okay, we'll talk about. I think we talked about it yesterday. But by the way, Nikto, why do you like it? Isn't it like all the other ones that give you reflections? Like, be honest. Tell me What differentiates it from other tokens similar to it? You're laggy visually, but sounds good. Look, the issue is I bought a camera just for streaming. It's a good, really nice camera. I spent a lot of money on it and a nice lens. But to actually get this setup, I had to use a capture card. And I think this is making things lag. It was really hard to set up for some reason. But yeah, I love streaming. I love talking with you guys what is it for you? A lot of you are from India, right? So it's pretty much afternoon for you, right? 6:26 p.m. for me. In about 34 minutes from now, I gotta head out. Yeah, Bitcoin definitely has the potential right now to pump higher. This triple top is not good. Volume losing going down is not good. I wouldn't long BTC right here. I gotta be honest with you. I can hear you now. Okay, that's good. What's happening to ZOO? ZOO is pumping. ZOO is pumping. Look at this. I've got 12 grand in ZOO right now. It was 19 yesterday. I didn't sell. This can be worth 50, 60 grand soon. ZOO probably 4, 5x if we don't get paper handlers. I need you to pump to care about Bitcoin. I agree. Royal BNB 100%. Hey, talk about ZOO. No, I'm from USA. Okay, good. So it's basically morning for you, right? Check Royal BNB. Okay, we will. Well, ZOO is doing great. There was a lot of paper handlers here, and there was some logic behind this sell because you had it went below the EMA 50, which is always a sell signal here. And plus, you had so much selling pressure crossing, green line crossing red line, slow and fast crossing right here on the MACD. Plus, you had selling pressure on the MACD moving to the sell zone, which is always a sell signal if you want to swing trade it. But I'm just worried that I might miss out if I sell here. Okay, let's talk about Royal BNB as well. Royal BNB. By the way, I'm interested in CP. I made a video on it. Royal BNB. Let me know any token that you want me to talk about. Let me know in the description down below, and we will do that. Is this the right Royal BNB? Firstly, 15% reflections in BNB. The community is too strong. Dev is a true king. And also, it's 9 p.m. Oh, that's good. Great. Thank you for the new likes. We have 6 likes. If you guys and girls can like the stream, this will really, really help me out. Because it will get it pushed to more people. I mean, there's a lot of selling right now, but the market cap is pretty cheap, 704. I just don't like the reflections tokens. But I guess this was yesterday you guys asked me about it, and I said it was I forgot what it said, but this is a breakout pattern, right? This is a breakout. This actually respected this resistance, now became support. If we can hold this area, we can get another breakout. If we don't, it can just dump to here. And it's very important that it holds this area. Otherwise, there's a head and shoulder pattern, and it's the end for the token. This normally happens on new tokens. So you'd really have to defend this in this zone. Very, very important. Very important. Let me just message something. We did, firstly, 15%, don't miss out on Royal BNB. We did a shampoo launch AMA yesterday, and it went awesome. Our holders now 1,000 plus. That's really good. Reflection tokens. Reflection tokens are tokens that give you reflection. Basically, from just holding, you make money on them. What do you think about Pipemoon? I have no opinion. Let me check it out. Let me know any tokens that you want me to talk about. I will do it on this stream. But again, my favorite right now is ZOO token. 12 grand in it. Pipemoon. That's just buy orders. How is this possible? This is weird. Where are the sell orders? I don't know. There's no volume. I wouldn't buy it, to be honest, at all. I wouldn't buy it at all. Look, there's no chance I'm buying it. Sorry, Ruben. There's just buy orders. There's not enough volume when you see the chart, and 200 market cap. I mean, oh, BTC is pumping again. Look at this. BTC is pumping again. Thank you for the new likes. We got 2 new likes. Check Foxy Equilibrium. I'll check it out as well. How long do you think you hold Zoo? You sell at $10? It really depends on how the price pumps. If it just pumps to $10 in one go, maybe I'll sell, because then it can get down to $7 and I can rebuy. Yummy coin. Okay, we'll check that as well, Jack. So it really depends on that. But I mean, it really depends on the price action. And I also have to take profits. I can't just sell because I can dump the price. At $10 Zoo, I'll have 41 grand worth of Zoo. If I dump all of it at once, I'll probably crash the price and ruin it for everyone. And I don't want to do that. ZooCoin Zoot, nope. We're not talking about Zoot. We're talking about this one. I'll pin it here. By the way, if you guys and girls want to trade, because I forgot to mention it, and use co-vesting, because I'm sponsored by Bybit and Prime XBT. On Bybit, you can trade and get a bonus, 1.6 grand bonus. I actually forgot to edit my descriptions for it. And on Prime XBT, you're getting a 50% bonus on top of what you invest, and you can just copy other traders. These guys making 10 to 30% a day. I'll have my links, I guess. I can pin the link here in the chat. Well, bragging. I mean, I just don't want to ruin the price for everyone, Levan. Is now a good time to buy more Zoo? Yep, I think it's a good time. It's a great time to buy Zoo below $4, like definitely, even below 5. Like, this is the way I look at it. Is this project worth $1.8 million? No, it's worth 20 easily, 18. Which is right now with this supply, it can go to $28. But I would definitely buy in at this rate. All we gotta do right now is just move above the moving average and have the buying pressure move up, which means we basically need some like 2 or 3 green candles on the 30-minute chart. We need 2 or 3 green candles and we'll be all good, in my opinion. This is what it looks like right now. If we get that, we'll be all good. But again, I can't say I'm worried about Zoo. I wasn't worried when I was down 6 grand on it. When it dipped, I just bought more, as you can see here. When it dipped, I just bought as much as I possibly could. Max Kaiser just tweeted BTC will break 45K today. 45 today. Oh, that's interesting. Let's check it out. I haven't checked Twitter in a few hours. Someone's tweeting at me for I'm not sending it. Yeah, like your tweet, Alexander. Like, oh, thank you, Alexander. Are you here? Are you on the stream? Thank you for retweeting it. I want to see what Cameron Fools is thinking. Cancel your stop loss and make it your entry point. Huh? That's interesting. I don't know who need to hear this today, but someone did. Are we bullish? No, he said to sell now and buy back at the level where you originally had your stop loss. Yeah, but we're pumping. I thought like the chart looked like it was a dump. I think it's market manipulation like at its finest right now. I wouldn't say we're going to get that. I think that, yeah, everything is green, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Is ZGC portfolio long-term hold? ZU token or ZGC? Oh, ZGC portfolio. Yeah, I would say so. It really depends on the entry price. Like the best investment for me right now is definitely ZU token. There's no other token that I want to be in than ZU. Like, I'm being honest. I'm showing you my trades. I can say something, you know, else, but I'm putting my money where my mouth is. ZU token right now, in my opinion, and by the way, this video is not financial advice. I'm writing blue on Ether and I barely know what I'm thinking. Insane. This is the best token right now for me. And I think for everyone, like, there's no token that can pop that hard. Let me know any tokens or cryptocurrencies that you want me to go over in the chat. We'll check them out. ADA looks like it's can pump. But it had to, that's a little bit of a, I don't know if I would buy ADA right now. It definitely broke above the triangle. But it all depends on BTC. If BTC pumps, it will pump as well. Shiba Inu, let's check Shiba Inu. We haven't talked about it on the stream. Yeah, it's doing nothing. Everything is pumping. Shiba Inu is doing absolutely nothing. Shiba Inu looks like it's going to die soon. I'm not sure if I would buy any Shiba Inu anymore, like at all, even on big dips. This kind of was definitely healthy. I want to see how these ZU token top holders are holding up. This guy sold only 460 worth. That's a dead token, IMO. Which one? Shiba, right? Yeah. You think Doge will ever go up again? Doge, maybe. Yes. Because, you know, you still have Elon Musk holding Doge. You always want to bet on winners, right? When you have Elon Musk behind you, maybe at 70 cents it wasn't a good buy, but when it dips to 16, 20 cents, I would have 5-10% in Doge. Doge will end the year at 2 cents. I think it will dump hard. Yeah, I do think Doge will dump really hard, like harder than most tokens, because it's a meme coin. Like in general, I don't want to buy meme coins because you don't have the wind behind your back. Because when you don't have utility, the only reason for it to go up is the greater fool theory, meaning someone else will pay more money than you to acquire the token, which is not a great strategy, in my opinion. I want to see how the top holders are holding ZU right now. Yeah, this guy bought a lot of ZU and he's not selling. He just sold like less than 1% of his holdings so far. ZU is not a meme coin. Of course it's not. ZU is an actual game. Do you check it out? It's an actual game where you mine, you know, you have NFT cards where you mine every day. You make so much money from farming as well. Your card, this card was worth 70 bucks a few days ago. Now it's worth over 200. It has a real, like all the competitors are worth 20-30 times more. I agree with you, Adrian. It's not a meme coin. Like I'm not buying meme coins right now. Like I would not touch a meme coin right now during this choppy market. Definitely not touching a meme coin. Because when it goes down 80%, I'll sell. But when ZU token went down 90%, I just bought in more. I just bought more and more and more and more and more to average down. And when the meme coin is going down, there's no reason for it to go up. It has to be trending. But then new meme coins come back, like Baby Doge. Why would you buy Baby Doge, for example, when it's dumping? Like there's Mega Doge. I don't know. Why would you? I mean, the market cap's still high, but wow, it dumped really hard. It still pumped a little bit. I warned you, everyone, that this was a dead cat bounce, I think. Yeah, you probably saw the video I did. and I warned everyone here and at the top, and everyone was saying that I wasn't correct, but it seems I was. Royal BNB is not looking good right now, by the way. Someone bought 4 grand and still is going down. How? How is it going down so much? Can anyone explain? Zoo token is look, the perspective of Zoo token compared to other tokens, it's easy to see. Foxy Equilibrium. Okay, we'll check it out. Foxy, let me see if I can get it. Foxy Equilibrium. Is it on CoinMarketCap? Foxy. Let's see, check the utility behind it. Chart wise, it's not a bad entry point right now. Chart wise, it was worth 5 times more. Market cap was at 4 mil at max. Thank you for the new like, by the way, that we got. The volume is really low, by the way, 76 grand. I'm not sure I would buy it because when we were at 500k market cap, we had over 1 mil volume. Foxy NFTs, Farm Foxy, Ape Swap. Yeah, I think it's a good idea with all the Foxy NFT. You can play the game. Yeah, I think it's not a bad project. I just don't like the fact that there's no volume. Because look at Zoo. Zoo fell so much today. And look at the volume. It's not 2 mil. It will refresh. It was like 5. Oh, it's 6. It just said 6. And I don't know. For some reason, Zoo is bugging here. But 24-hour volume is like 6 mil. Which is 3 times the market cap. Over 3 times. This project can easily 2x today. If we don't get any paper handlers today, it will 2x. I'm really interested in seeing this pump tonight. But yeah, I think to sum it up, I wouldn't buy or sell BTC here. We need more candles to be able to short it, or to long it we need a breakout with some confirmations. I mean, it's not my... I wouldn't buy in here. Definitely not. They're resistance. It's pretty much what we did when we shorted Ethereum near the bottom. It's a bad idea, bad strategy. So yeah, if what's in your portfolio, the main, like one of the main things I have is you. And I've had a lot of other things on my Binance account, but I'm probably gonna tether up right now. I'll probably sell a lot of, like if I see BTC going down right now, I'll probably tether up to be able to buy dips. And the reason why I want to do that is I think there's a crash coming. That's just my opinion for BTC. I don't think the bull run is over. Definitely not. But I think there will be a correction that we'll see soon. Yeah, if the video, I gotta hop off. But you already know what to do. If the stream helped you out, like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate everyone that joined. Zoff, have you heard of Green Wojak? No. But it's a meme coin, right? I wouldn't look... I like meme coins. I like the community behind them. I wouldn't buy meme coins. I mean, Wojak, all the videos about him. Wojak 9 to 5. Him working at McDonald's after getting dumped on in the market. So funny. But in this Shopee market, I want to have utility tokens. So I can, if they go down, I can buy more. If they go up, I can